Hi guys, Patty from Patty's Crafty Spot, and I'm here to share with you my latest design team project for Crealies, and these are featuring the new products for July of 2019, and this new release is amazing. I feel it was made for mini album makers. So I've made a mini album, and I do have a full two-part tutorial on how to create this album, and let's take a walk through it. So first of all, the paper that I used is Ciao, and it's the Sounds of Spring, and hence the name of my album, The Sound. So let's take a quick peek at what I did. So this die here is the large pocket journal and pocket die, and some tags here, and I have a nice corner pocket on the side, and then this is also a die. This is the number 13 for the tags dies, and then over here this is the medium die right here, medium die, along with one of the new on the edge dies, and that happens to be from the number 41 tags. And I did alternate this in black and craft cardstock. When I was designing my template to come up with a design, I was using those two papers and I thought it looked super pretty together, so I just went ahead with it. So again, some spots for photos in the pockets. And the nice thing about these dies is you don't even have to think anymore of measurements, score lines, any of that. The dies actually include all of the score lines for you. So it's super easy. So then over here, let me take these back out. Over here, I used the new on the edge die to create this little unique part right here. So it adds a little design element to the album. And then this is just a plain one I made with the die too, and I didn't cover it completely with paper because it's just going to be used for photo mats, and I just wanted the decorative edge on it. And these right here are holding 3x5 photos, so plenty of space, room for photos. Right here is one of the new of the edge dies, and let's see, grab a black one. So nice, absolutely beautiful border right there. And grab another one. And then you open up over here, room for photos, or you can leave it blank. Right here, this is with the large pocket die, and I actually just tucked everything in. So what I did was when I made the die, I just folded over the sides that you would normally attach to make it a pocket, and I just made it a flat. And then I left the backs all completely blank, so then that way you can add photos. And the way I have the pockets interlocking is it also will hold your photos after, and it's not super tight, so it just all will just kind of tuck right in there under itself. And again, over here, so this is a 4-page book, or you can people either call them signatures or pages. So this right here was all one, and there's 3 of that design and 1 of another, so then it repeats itself again here, just like that. I did go ahead, I used Stack the Deck Binding System by Laura Dennison, and in between I actually put cardstock just to add some more decorative element into the binding system. And again, super pretty. This paper is absolutely stunning. and then another page right there. Again, we go back over with the border, and then repeats itself. Room for lots of photos. And then the back. I love that. It's going to be really hard to cover this paper over. So then over here, this is the third or the second design, but there's only one of these. So I used one of the flower dies to create my little closure, and then just the string. Like that. And I did do, let me find craft colored. So this is the border. This is another on the edge die. Really pretty. So then it opens up, and these are the small pocket dies. I didn't happen to add anything, but they are, you can put in small little like bookmarks or tiny photos right there. And then in the center is a nice pocket. This right here is the large pocket die, and I used one of the extra, it's called Extra. It's an oval die for ATC cards, and I used that to make a cute little window pocket, and I show you how simple it is to make window pockets in those in the video. And then it just closes back up. I thought about doing magnets on this, but then I decided that with the magnets you have to worry about photos and stuff depending on where your magnets connect. If you put photos in it, then it might be hard for the magnets to make connections. So I thought the string closure was going to be cute. And then on this here, it flips over, so the pocket is on the right here for that one. And then on the back side of that one, I staggered two of the medium pockets and then just made it for little photo mats in there. And I thought it was kind of cute to do that. And then we just start back over again with the original design. So pocket, just like that. And room for photos if you wanted. You could probably put a little photo here in the bottom without covering over like the pretty pictures. And again, nice little decorative section. And then we go back, photo mats, and the little kitties watching the bird. Pretty. And then again, and it opens up there, and then this repeats itself from the front cover, just like so, with the corner pocket and then a large pocket overhanging a little bit here. I thought that was kind of neat. Anyway, that is my mini album for the new release, and let me just tell you real quick how big this album is. So it measures approximately 8.5 inches wide by 9 inches tall with a 2.5-inch spine. Lots of room for photos. As you can see, no alligator mouth. So plenty of room to add all kinds of photos to that. Anyway, like I said, I do have a full 2-part video tutorial on how to create this album. And again, this is with the amazing new release from Crealies. And if you like what you see, whether you're watching this on my channel, Patty's Crafty Spot, or you're watching this on the Crealies YouTube channel, go ahead, give it a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button for more awesome videos. And until next time, guys, happy crafting. Bye.